already? I am Mom Shibrens and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to teach you how to crochet this flower motif using soda tab as base. Come on, I'll teach you. Okay, now I will teach you how to do these flowerets and then later on add some design or single crochet and double crochet to make this bigger flowers or bigger motif. First of all, I want to give the crochet fanatics a tip on how to at least make your thread maayos, okay? Hindi magulo. So this is what I did. Kasi wala akong basket or wala ako nung lalagyan ng thread, I bore a hole dito sa cover, and then this is a plastic container, and then put the thread inside, and then ito, ilusot niyo yung thread dito. Okay, and then at least para hindi magulo. Okay. Now we start using, at least we need 6 pieces of soda tabs. And then this part, which I already filed, put this smooth part over. But first of all, I forgot. Make a slip knot. And then this part, put this over, the smooth part over this part of the tab with a sharp edge. Make or do 2 single crochets. Okay. One more. And then put another under the second. So, ganito. Okay? Put 2 single crochet. The fourth. Another 2 single crochet. Fifth. And then the last. Okay. Okay. Now, we will join this to make a circle. Like this. So, in this part, do or put 2 single crochet. and then another one. Okay, and to join this first single crochet, try to put in your hook and join. Okay, when you have already joined, from the back of this circle, get your loop or grab your loop and put it here at the back like this. Okay, and then chain 3. In this part, make a single crochet. Okay, and then make 1 half double crochet. Half double crochet is made by yarning over, and then you have 3 loops in your hook, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, now make 3 double crochet. A double crochet is 1 yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops, and then pull through again. Okay, you need to make 2 more. Okay, and the last double crochet for this group of 3. Okay, now chain 2. Repeat what you did here on the opposite direction. I mean 3 double crochet, one more double crochet, so you have 3, and then 1 half double crochet, and a single crochet. Okay, so you already made 1 petal. In the next tab, repeat what you did here. So 1 single crochet, a half double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and a single crochet. Repeat all these stitches until you reach the 6th tab, and I will teach you how to join. This is our last petal and we are almost done. Chain 2, 3 double crochet, half double crochet, and a single crochet, okay. Now you try to join in this chain 3 that you did when you started the petal. Chain 1 or do a slip stitch here so that it will be secure, the thread will be secured. Now cut, and you could either use a tapestry needle to hide the thread or your hook, okay? You could do it later. Now, to join this, the requirement should be make one complete flower, and then we will join as we go. So we could do a motif. First of all, you could plan first what the design would be. Maybe to make a doily, then the joining should be like this. This will be one complete motif or design, and then we could add here. But to join each flower, we should do it join as we go. I will teach you how to do it. To join our motif, okay, I completed 2 petals, and then in here, chain 1. Join in the chain 2 space by grabbing this loop, and then chain 1 again. Continue doing your double crochet, When you have completed the petal, do or complete the whole flowers, join here and cut. Then start again another flower, and we will join I will teach you where to join in this two completed flowers later on. In this next motif, we will join here and here. So to do that, okay, insert your hook in the chain space. Okay, chain 1 first. Then insert here and then chain 1. Make the 3 double crochet. Now that you have joined, it will be like this. Finish the rest of the petals and then cut and then start again another flower, and then the joining would be in this part, this and this, so like this, until you complete the whole circle. Okay, so that is what we call join as you go. When you already have joined 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6th will be here, and then I will teach you how to do or join the 6th flower. Now we will be joining again, and this time we will be joining twice, here in this spot, the middle of the flower, and then the second or wherever, you know, this part of the petal. So twice tayo mag-join. Okay, chain 1, and then in this chain 2 space, pull the loop, and then chain 1 again, and then start the second half of the petal. Now you do this. Okay, I'll show you how to join in the other part. Now finish the whole remaining petals until this part and join, and then start again another flower. This is just one way of joining. Actually, you could also do a lot and then later on join. It depends on what design or what you are going to do. So this is just one way of joining. Now we are in the last part of our motif here. So what I will do is start joining in this flower, and then this one, and then this one. So 3 times that we will do joining. So first, I already did a chain 1. So I'll join here in this chain space. Pull your thread and then chain 1, and then complete the petal. Now this is the last part, so after completing the petal, then you could join and then cut, and then now you have one complete actually round of your let's say placemat or doily, and then you could add another round. So that's just how you will join and do the design. You could make it bigger, or it depends upon you, but at least now I have taught you how to join. Okay, this is the last part of our motif, or the last flower that we will join in this pattern. Okay, so there would be 4 parts or 4 sides of the flowers wherein we will join this, so 3 and 4. So let's start. Chain 1, Now, this is the finished product. Okay. That's it. Hope you like our tutorial for today. Now, what I will teach you is, because I feel this is too small, I wanted to add more stitches from this to this. So, anyway, you could also stop in after doing this and then join again and then do something like a bag or a placemat, and then I will also teach you how to add some more stitches. But for this particular stitch, because I cannot find a shade of green for this border, which is the similar to the size of my thread, I combined two size 10 cotton crochet thread. So first, you get the chain 2 space here in your petal, in one of your petals. One stitch to the left of that chain 2, which is actually your double crochet. You make or put a slip knot and then chain 1. Okay. Single crochet in the next double crochet or next stitch. Single crochet again, which is actually your half double crochet, another single crochet, making a total of 4 single crochet. The chain 1 is counted as 1 single crochet. Okay, you will notice this, the top tab and the bottom has a space in between. You could use a double crochet or a single crochet, but you will actually put your hook in between the spaces. In this particular flower, what I'll do is use a single crochet. Okay, so put your hook in between the space. Okay, pull it really loosely and then do a single crochet. So that's the in between, or this part particular, some sort of divider between the petals. Okay, and then make or do single crochets until you reach the space or chain 2 space. So you will make 4 single crochet. So 4, and then in this space, do 2 single crochets. Then another 4. And then single crochet in between the spaces of the tab. Okay. You will do this around all the petals of that small flower that you did. So the finished product will be like this. Okay, you just join in this chain 1, you just slip stitch. Okay, I'll do it again in this part. So 4 single crochet, if this happens to you, that means that you missed a stitch, or you have to pull this a little bit so that there will be 4. 1, 2, 3. So you have to put your single crochet actually in the first. Now we have this, and then cut it off. clean the thread or put it at the back using a tapestry needle. Okay. To add the double crochet, I use a variegated, this is a little bit similar to the size of the pink flower. So I just got or position my hook in the middle here, and then do a slip stitch or put a slip stitch, chain 3, counted as 1 double crochet, and then each stitch we will put 1 double crochet until we reach the middle part, which is around 12 stitches. So actually these are 12 double crochet, and then you just do another, or do a chain 1, and in the same space do another double crochet, then do 12 again until you reach this. You just pinch up until you reach this point. So you do the double crochet in the same stitch and then chain 1 to join. Here's another way of doing or enlarging this small flower motif by making it or converting it into a square. So first, what I did was to attach this combination of thread to the chain 3 that we did in the flower motif, and then try to in between this the tabs, chain 3, and then another 3, total of 6. Single crochet in this chain 2 space, chain 3, and then double crochet in between this space. Make it a little bit loose so that it will be almost the same height as the single crochet. Okay, chain 3 again, single crochet, you will do this around the flower, making a total of 12 spaces around the flower. Now you attach on the third chain using a slip stitch. Okay. Slip stitch in this space and then chain 3. Two more double crochet, and then in this next space we will make a corner. So 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, Now we have one corner. Continue doing 3 more double crochet in this next space. Three more double crochet in the following space. Now we will start another corner here. So do 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the same space. Now we have done our second corner. Don't worry if it's trying to bend or curl. After we finish, then we will just block the motif. Okay, continue doing 3 more double crochet here, 3 more in the next space, then in this space do a corner again by doing 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. I will meet you here at the end of the motif. Join here in your chain 3 and using a slip stitch, and before you cut your thread, try to join this another colored thread and like this, chain 3, double crochet in each of the stitches until you reach this part, and then in this chain 3 corner you do 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet all around. join using a slip stitch and then cut. So this is the finished product. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned and enjoyed my video. Please help me grow my channel by subscribing. And don't forget to click that bell and press all. Also, smash that like button. Always remember to smile and be happy so that you will always be pretty.